How to add my business location on Instagram in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to link your Instagram to Facebook. Like, ensure your Instagram account is a business account. Link your Instagram account to your Facebook business page and add or edit business information. Like, go to your Instagram profile, tap edit profile. Under public business information, tap business information. You can then edit your business category and contact information. Tap contact options to add your address. Input your street address, city and zip code. Choose to display or hide your business category and contact information on your profile. And tag your location in posts and stories. When creating a post or story, you can add a location tag to make it visible to people in that area. To add a location sticker to a story, tap on the sticker icon, select location and choose your business location. When posting, you can tap add location and search for your business name. By following these steps, you can effectively add your business location on Instagram, increasing visibility and making it easier for customers to find you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.